Hi everyone, it's Stephanie. Welcome back for another video. For this one, I'm doing an acrylic pour. I'm trying out the Melody Cloud Pour. I had a lot of trouble with this. The white cloud recipe with the enamel kind of took over, and I didn't quite know what to do with it. But in the end, I think it turned out okay. I really love this painting. It's funky, it's different, it's unique. There's something about it I just absolutely love. And it actually took me a day to get used to the painting. But once I did, I just couldn't stop looking at it. So I really love the way it came out. I hope you do too. And I'm going to try that cloud pour again one day and hopefully get more of the effect that I was going for. I think I really love what Gina DeLuca and Heather Mader just did in their collaboration with the cloud pour. It really came out so beautiful on both ends. So I hope to create something like that at some point. But for now, this is Coral Reef, and I think it is of value. Even though you're going to see me mess up, you're going to see me trying to save this painting more than once. I kind of threw the kitchen sink at it. I tried a balloon kiss a few times. The balloon kept popping out of my hand. So instead of editing those parts out and not showing the whole process, I left them in, even though I cringe when I watch what I'm doing. But I think it's good to be real and transparent about how sometimes paintings are a struggle. No matter what, you learn something from every pour. I have made a lot of mistakes, and I always learn something. Put less of this, more of that, too much yellow, like you just learn something out of each one. Okay, well, enjoy the video. I'm sorry I rambled a little bit too long. I put the colors and my paint mix in the description box. And if you like the video, please leave me a thumbs up, and I would love to hear from you in the comment section as well. And if you like my videos in general, please subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video.